WordPress sites in Bricks, you have probably been burned by a template library. Big promises, 100 layouts that all look like the same theme recolored, and no updates after month 3. BricksPlus is the one that stuck for us. It is built and maintained by ThemeX, a working web development agency that ships client sites of its own, and you can feel that in the templates. The library runs to 150 plus complete website packs, 500 reusable sections, 500 class-based wireframes, and 500 copy-paste page layouts. The designs hold up: confident typography, generous spacing, and current layout patterns, instead of the tired 3-column icon row every other marketplace still ships. And they have real range. Put their construction pack next to their agency pack, and nothing about the two suggests a shared parent. That matters when you serve competing businesses in the same market. Under the surface, everything is class-based. That means restyling a section to a client brand is a variable change, rather than element-by-element surgery. They ship a new website template every week, and they audit the existing packs against each new Bricks release. That second part is the one agencies undervalue, right up until a client updates. Installation is refreshingly boring. Templates are plain JSON you import through Bricks. There's no companion plugin and no license key phoning home. Just remember to tick Import Images, so every asset lands in the client's own media library. Licensing is the part agencies care about most, and it is generous. Unlimited downloads while your membership is active, and use on unlimited client websites. On price, buy the bundle. The 6 product lines bought separately come to $883 at list. The full access bundle covers all of it for $349. Our only note, and it is a small one, the vanilla, ACSS, and core framework versions are sold as 3 separate licenses. The bundle removes that entirely, which is another reason it is the one to buy. We are a paying customer, not a partner, and not an affiliate. The full written review is linked below. If you want a site that starts from a great template and still looks like yours, come talk to us.